In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable extensions in Google Chrome. If you have an extension in Chrome that's causing problems, slowing down your browser, or you simply don't want it running for a while, disabling it is a quick and easy fix. The good news is that turning an extension off does not delete it. It just stops it from running until you decide to enable it again. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and wait for the browser window to fully load. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the three-dot menu icon there. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. When the menu appears, look for the Extensions option. Move your cursor over it or click it, depending on how your version of Chrome displays the menu. Then select Manage Extensions. This will take you to the page where Chrome shows all of the extensions currently installed in your browser. On the Manage Extensions page, you'll see a list of your extensions, usually displayed as separate cards or panels. Each one includes the extension name and a few controls. Find the specific extension you want to disable. This is important if you have multiple extensions installed, so take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct one. Once you've found it, look for the toggle switch on that extension's card. If the extension is currently active, the toggle will be turned on. Click the toggle once to switch it off. As soon as you do that, the extension will be disabled, and Chrome will stop it from running in the background or interacting with websites. That's all you need to do. The extension will remain installed in Chrome, but it won't be active unless you turn it back on later. This is useful if you're troubleshooting browser issues, testing whether an extension is interfering with a website, or just reducing clutter in your browser. If you ever want to enable the extension again, you can return to the same Manage Extensions page and click the toggle back on. So if you only need to disable something temporarily, you won't lose any of its settings just by turning it off. And that's how to disable extensions in Google Chrome.